Alright everyone, so as promised, as soon as I got home, we are going to unbox something that was sent to us by Asus ROG. This is Josiah from Josiah's Tech. Let's unbox things. Let's go. Let's unbox this. Where is my trusty old knife? Boom! To Josiah from ROG fam. Thank you so much ROG for sending this out. We have an ROG backpack for 15. The laptop. Get this package, guys. Okay, alright, let's unbox this. What? Another power brick? There's a mouse included. So we have here a power brick or an AC adapter this large, right? You think it's very small. It's type C. Here's its power cord, and then what I realized, I received 2 power cords. So I was wondering if they sent me 2 by a mistake, but then I saw this one, which is a large brick. Wow, this is a large one. And I have to tell you, this is very heavy. Hey guys, check this out. If I hold this one, there is a numpad on the touchpad. Oh, that is so amazing. Alright, let's go to DX Diag. We have here Windows 11 with 16 gigabytes of RAM, AMD Ryzen 7 6800H with Radeon graphics inside. And then for our display, we have here an RTX 3070 Ti. This is the ROG STRIX G15 2022 version. And right now, I'm going to install some games, and I want you guys to tell me if the specifications of the laptop, which are posted over here, will meet the standards of what it has to offer on the games that I'll be playing. Let's go.